go to the train station. Did some shopping and I'm just gonna have some Popeyes. We're back home and I'm currently removing the price tags or those stickers from the gifts. I have to use this because my nails are kind of a bit too thick. It comes off without leaving parts of sticker. Ta-da! This cute bag. How cute is this? So cute. But yeah. Hopefully she likes it. I have a hard time pulling out this camera and start recording because there's a lot of people near me and I feel a little bit embarrassed. You will see clips with this camera and then you will see like clips with my phone because it's a lot easier to just whip it out and record something real quick. But yeah, I'm home. I had someone help me clean the house and look at this playroom. Whoa. Let's see how long it lasts. Just like everything is clean, organized. There's a lot of clutter because, you know, but I have to get rid of this. I have to donate this, and there's stuff over here. I don't know if I said this in the previous vlog, but we're moving next month. Yeah, before that, we're taking a really exciting trip, and I don't want to say either because we don't have the tickets. We just have the plans. We're planning our trip, and I don't want to jinx it. So yeah, we're going on a trip next month, a big one, and we're moving. We're gonna leave Poland. I know, so sad. I went to Primark and I got a small bag of goodies. I got this for my daughter and I don't know if I should save it for the airplane or give it to her now because she's a little bit obsessed with these things. She doesn't know how to quite solve it, but it's a start. I got this jacket because the other ones that I have are too hot and I don't know. Oh my god, I don't know if I like it now. Oh, I don't like it. Can I return this? So yeah, I'm gonna make dinner and yeah, just go to sleep later. I'm not gonna do anything interesting after this, so I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm getting another tattoo. This is the final, like the last tattoo I get here because it's just she's gonna finish my sleeve, so she's gonna tattoo this part right here where I don't have anything, and yeah, that's gonna be our last session together. So sad. I feel like, I don't know, I'm excited to live in this new country I've never lived in, but I'm a little bit sad because I got used to the way things are here. I don't know, I'm nervous about this new move, but I'm excited at the same time. I'm gonna give you a hint. They speak Spanish in this country. I'll do great there because that's my first language. So I am home. My tattoo is healing. Let me show you. So much better. Still a little bit red. And it's super hot. a little bit into my back. We'll take off the second skin in a few days. I think she said 3 days this time. I don't know why. But yeah, nothing interesting happened. My hair is a mess. I'm gonna stop recording. Bye.
Mommy.
What? Here?
Your phone. Why, Mom?
Mira cómo se mete, míralo, míralo. Se vio,
Well, just the how tall something.
Oh my god!
The giraffe would always make for snacks sometimes.
There's things that I'm leaving out so it's easier. That stuff is gonna be packed away. All of her clothes are already in suitcases. And I'm just so sad because her things will take forever to get to where we're going. It's gonna be a little bit sad. I gotta take this down because I lost paintings back in North Carolina. They were like, yeah, we don't take things that are hanging on the walls. And I'm like, fuck you. And you can see like a bag there. That's all the stuff that I'm throwing away. Such a beautiful day today. This room is such a mess. I don't even want to show it. I just feel like packing everything, like letting them pack everything and not have to deal with any of this. I'm so over it. Let's bring this down. Let's do laundry. I'm currently going through all the stuff that I need to get rid of. And it's so empty. The house is so empty. Oh man. Today's our last day here. We're gonna move into a hotel and yeah, we're packing. Here, just like a few things, but look, no toys. I'm gonna go upstairs and continue packing. My legs are so sore. What I'm dealing with right now. I'm gonna miss this view. So pretty. While I finish, I'm gonna listen to this book. This is gonna be our home for the next few days. I don't know how many days until our visa situation is resolved.